If you're selling products online and you're not running UGC style ads on TikTok, you're leaving serious money on the table. But here's the problem. Hiring real creators costs anywhere from $150 to $500 per video. That's expensive, especially when you're just starting out. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make TikTok AI UGC ads using Creatify AI. Fast, easy, and on a budget. Before we dive in, quick note. This walkthrough is based on thorough research of Creatify's features and documented workflows. I'll keep it honest and straight to the point. Let's get into it. Step 1. Head to Creatify AI and select the URL to video feature. Grab your Shopify or product page link and paste it right here. Creatify's AI will automatically pull in your product images, title, description, and key selling points. No manual uploading needed. Step 2. Choose your AI avatar. You'll see a library of diverse AI-generated creators. Casual ones, professional ones, different ages and styles. This is the face of your ad. Pick someone that matches your product niche and your target audience. A skincare brand and a tech gadget store need very different faces. Step 3. Review your AI-generated script. Creatify writes a short 15 to 30 second benefit-focused script automatically. You can accept it, edit it manually, or generate variations. My tip: always punch up the first 3 seconds. That's your hook, and it determines everything on TikTok. Step 4. Customize your video. Pick your background music from the royalty-free library, choose your caption style, set your format to 9:16 for TikTok, and select your call to action. Shop now, link in bio, whatever fits your offer. Step 5. Hit render. In just a few minutes, your video is ready to download, fully edited, captioned, and formatted for TikTok. Upload it directly to TikTok Ads Manager or post it organically. Now let's be real. Creatify AI is impressive, but it's not perfect. AI avatars can still look slightly unnatural compared to real human creators, and the scripts need editing to be truly great. But for testing new products quickly and generating ad creative at scale, without a big budget, it's hard to beat. If you want the full step-by-step written guide, including a full pros and cons breakdown and how Creatify compares to HeyGen, Synthesia, and InVideo, the link is in the description. And if you found this useful, subscribe to Remote Future for honest, practical breakdowns of the best AI tools for your online business. See you in the next one. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.